Hi everybody. This is a second problem of job sequencing. Okay. So here you can see the question is given here. 9 job to go first over machine 1 and then over machine 2. Okay. The order of completion of job has no significance. The following tables give the machine time in minutes for the 9 job and 2 machines. Okay, so here it is given n job and 2 machines problem. This is Johnson n job and 2 machine problem. Here it is given a to I. Okay, name it a to I, machine 1 and machine 2. This is in terms of minutes. Okay, so you have to find the sequence of job that minimize the total elapsive time to complete the job. So you have to find out how long it takes to complete the entire job. Total elapsed time you have to find out. Also work out the total elapsive time for an optimum sequence. So you have to find out the sequence. What is the total time on machine 1 and idle time of machine 1 and machine 2. Okay, total idle time on machine 1 and machine 2. So now in this, the first step is you have to find out which is the smallest number. Okay, smallest number here 2. So 2 is the smallest one. So where it is in machine 1. So machine 1 always you have to write it in left side, and machine 2 you have to write it in right side. Okay, so how many jobs? 9 jobs. So put 9 box, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so first one is minimum number is 2. So the 2 is there in machine 1. So you have to write this a in left side. So put a in left side, then find out. So once if it is over, then you have to put one small line. Okay, so it won't confuse you later. So put one small line here. Okay, so this is over, no? Put one line here. Now next smallest number is 3. Okay, so 3 is available in machine 2. So see E job as well as G job. So you can take either E first or G first. Okay, both the way you can take. So I am going to take so this 3 is available in E, and same 3 is available in G. So 3 minutes to complete E job and 3 minutes to complete G job. Both are it is in machine 2. So either you can take first this one or you can take this one. So I am going to take this. So this is in machine 2, no? So take down here. Okay, E. Okay, so E is over, no? Scratch out. Then next minimum is G, again 3. So I am going to take in second number. So in machine 2 I am going to, this is machine 2. Okay, this side is machine 1. Okay, so G is also over. Once G is over, then fourth minute is available here and here and here. Okay, so either you can take either machine 1 or machine 2. So machine 1 if you take, you can take C first or I first. Okay, so I am going to take C first. So once C is over, put one line. Then I am going to take I. It is in machine 1. So you have to write it in left side. So I, or you can take I first and C first. C second. Okay. Then D it is in machine 2, isn't it? Machine 2. Then you have to put it this side. So D put here. So you put one line here. Okay. So 4 is over. Next is 5. See 5 it is here and it is here. Okay. Take this one, put here, and this one H put it here. Okay, because it's machine 1. Left side you have to put. Okay, now everything is over. Only one is left. Only this is left. Next one is 5 is over. No, next is minimum is 8. So it is in machine 1. So only one box is left. So you can put F here. So everything is finished. This is one sequence. The other sequence we got 2 4 and 2 3. No. So I have changed this one. I first I put C second one. Similarly G I put first and E second I put it here. Okay, 2 optimum sequence we got. This is an alternative method. Okay, we got 2 optimum solution. We will get the same answer for both. So I will do this one and you work out for this. Is it clear? So we got two solution because we got the same number, no? So here I put C first and I second. So here I put I first and C second. And similarly here I put E first and G second, but here I changed G first and E second. So same method you do it, so you will get the same answer. Okay, same procedure, everything is same. We got sequence is different, okay, but answer you will get the same answer. Okay, so this sequence you write down in the column wise: ACIB, ACIB, and HFDGE. Okay, so I put HFDGE. Is it clear? Okay, so next one, first one always mission 1 and mission 2 you have to put. So in and out. So there is, you have to write it a 3 column. One is your optimum sequence, another one is mission 1, mission 2. Mission 1 is in time, out time, and mission 2 is in time, out time. Okay, this is the column, standard column. So for first in time is 0. So how long it takes to complete the first job? See the question. To A it takes mission 1 it takes 2 minutes. Okay, so out time is 2 minutes. Okay, then the same thing you have to write down in the in time of mission. Once it is completed, mission 1 is completed, the same the passing time is very negligible. Okay, take the same number here, minutes here. So 2 minutes in the sense 2 minutes. So what is this? Mission 2. Okay, mission 2 6 minutes it takes. For a job it takes 6 minutes. So 2 plus 6 you will get 8. Is it clear? 2 plus 6 you will get 8. So next go to C. C for mission 1 is 4. Already 2 minutes is over, no? So the in time it is 2 minutes only. After ending of 2 minutes you are starting C job. So C job it completes 4 minutes. It takes 4 minutes to complete. So 2 plus 4 is 6. Is it clear? Then so here this is longer, no? So longer time you have to take. This is 6th minute, but it takes to complete the first process, it takes to complete 8 minutes. So until that mission 2 has to wait. So you have to take down this longer minute here, 8 here. Is it clear? 8. Then to complete the C job it is 7. Okay, so 8 plus 7 is 15. Okay, next I job. So go to I job in mission A is 4. Okay, so 6th minute you are starting I job. 4 minutes it takes to complete. So 6 plus 4 10. Okay, next one is, so here it is 5th mission 2. 15 minutes it takes to complete. Okay, so 15th minute only you have to start mission 2. Okay, until that it has to wait. So 15, so it takes to complete I job is 11 minutes. So 15 plus 11, 15 plus 11 is 26. Okay, next one is B. Go to B. For A, for mission 1 it has to complete 5 minutes it takes to complete. Okay, so here 10 minutes. So 10th minute you are starting B job. It takes 5 minutes to complete. So 10 plus 5, 15. Okay, so this is 26 longer time compared with 15. So you have to take 26. So mission B is here. Mission B is 8 minutes it takes to complete. So 26 plus 8. 26 plus 8 is 34. Okay, so now next one is H, isn't it? H job. Mission 1 is 5 minutes it takes to complete. 5 minutes. Okay, so now here, so I have written here. So 15 plus 5 to complete it is 20. Okay, so here this longer time you have to take 34. 34 you have to take, and it is H job, no? H job it takes to complete 8 minutes mission 2. Okay, so 8. So 34 plus 8 you will get 42. Okay, then the 20 the same time you will get 20. So next is F job. So F job it takes 8 minutes. So 20 plus 8 you will get 28. Okay, and here this is the longer time. So you take 42, and this is F job, no? So F it takes 9 minutes to complete. So 42 plus 9, 51. And next machine 1. So this is machine 1 and this is machine 2. Okay. So next one is this D job. Take this 28, go to D. So 9 minutes it takes to complete in machine 1. Okay. So 28 plus 9, 37. And here you have to take this number 51 and this is a D job, no? D job, it's 4 minutes to complete in machine 2. So 51 plus 4, 55. Next one is G. Go to G, 7 minutes. Okay. So same number, 37. 37 plus 7. So you'll get 44. 55. And G is 3 minutes for machine 2. So 55 plus 3, 58. And here the same number, E1 6 minutes. Okay, 6 minutes. So 44 plus 6 you will get 50. And here 58, you take that 58. If this is longer, you have to take this number. Okay, say for example, if you get 60, so you have to take 60 here. Is it clear? Which is longer, that you have to take, because that other machine have to wait until it complete. Okay, so here this is 58, so you have to take 58. So E1 is 3. Okay, 3 in machine 2. So the 58 plus 3 you will get 61. So the total elapsed time is 61 minutes. Is it clear? And you have to find out idle machine time. So machine 1, when it will get idle, until it complete, it has to wait, no? The remaining thing is same. See, once it started with 0, it end with 2 minutes. Immediately it starts, end with 6 minutes. Then it starts in 6th minute, end with 10th minute. So there is no gap. 15, 20, 20 it starts, 28, 28 it starts, 37 it complete, 37 it starts, 44. So there is no gap. But where there is a gap here, until it is complete, it has to wait. Okay, to take the next process. So 61 minus 50, it has to wait 11 minutes. The idle time of machine 1 is 11 minutes. Now you go to machine 2. Machine 2 idle time is, here it intake, it's only 2 minutes. Okay, it has to wait for 2 minutes, machine 2. Okay, so this 2 minutes, and then find out if there is any gap is there or not. 2 minutes end with 8 minute. 8th it starts, 15 minute. So it start with 15. It start with 26. Here 34, 42 it start immediately. There is no gap. Okay, there is no need to wait. Only 2 minutes it has to wait, because beginning this process, A process, it has to complete in 2 minutes. After completing only it can pass to the machine 2. Okay, so until that machine 2 has to be idle. Okay, so 2 minutes the machine 2 has to be idle. Is it clear? So this is the answer for this solution. And for this sequence 1 I have done, you take down this sequence and you work out, you will get the same answer. Is it clear? Take down this sequence, because same thing only, we change this one. That's it. Okay, because it appears 2 times, no? So you can take any one number and you can do alternative sequence. So answer you will get the same. Okay. So hope you understand this job sequencing. So we completed last video and this video N job and 2 machines we completed. Next video we'll do N job and N machine. Okay, this is N job and N job 2 machine. Okay, next video we'll see N job and M machine. Okay, hope you understand this second problem. Thank you.